Hello, in this video I'm going to show how to create a settings menu. Select third person and next, and I'm going to name my project settings and press create project. I'm using Unreal Engine version 4.26. Under Content, Third Person BP, Maps, right click, select User Interface Widget Blueprint, and I'm going to name this WB Menu Settings. Double click WB Menu Settings. I'm going to show how to create this form. Okay, all these controls you drag out from over here. This is a text, and all these are text, so I'm going to go over these real fast. This here is a text also. On all the rest of the controls, you have to name them the same as I name it here. And this is a button, and inside the buttons are a text. So that's how you make the button. This is a combo box. This is a combo box. On this one, you have to enter these elements. This is a checkbox, and inside the checkbox is a text. This is a combo box. You have to enter these elements. These are buttons here. This is a slider. This is a combo box. You have to enter these elements here. All the rest of these are the same type of combo box with the same elements. So I'll go over those fast. This is a text, and you have to check is variable on the first three text here. This one is variable checked, is variable checked. The rest of these are not checked here. I'll go over these quickly so you can see you gotta put the same variable name on these. And this is a button. And that's all the form controls. Double click WB Menu Settings. I'm going to show the graph and the blueprint. I numbered these in the order that I created them, and that might help if you do it in the same order. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. And 7 connects to event construct. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. This is 11. On 11, these have the values that you need to see. And then all the rest are values 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I can just show you the top row. All the other rows are the same except the values change. This is number 12. And this is 13. On these, the values are all the same: 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I can just show you the top portion, and you can figure out how to make the rest of it. And that's the blueprints. Double click WB menu settings. Each of these text blocks have a binding, and to create the binding, you click here and press create binding. I'm going to show how to program each of the bindings on all of these text blocks. This is the level blueprint. These quality settings are the same that I have here all the way down to here, and these 4 here are additional graphics settings. The first 3 controls show green until you change them or hit apply. So if you hit apply, it turns green. This is the frame limit. These are the quality presets. This is auto. This is the scale slider. These are the individual quality controls that you can set manually. Right now you can see that it looks blurry, so I'm going to hit Epic and apply, and now it looks clear. So everything looks like it's working as it should.